How to make a bounce animation in Capcut. Hi guys, let's get started immediately. Now the first thing you want to do is to make sure you're on your Capcut application. Now head over to new project and tap on it. Go ahead and select the picture that you would like to create the bounce animation on, and when you're done selecting, you want to click on add. Now this is just an extra step, but you don't have to do it. I went ahead to change my aspect ratio, and then I used my fingers and increased the size just a bit. Now you want to go to the beginning of this clip and add a keyframe. Now just a little bit further on the clip again, you are going to take it up or down just for us to create the bouncing illusion, and you would notice that the keyframe is added on its own. Now you are going to repeat this process till you get to the end of the clip. Depending on how many times you want it to bounce, you want to keep doing that up and down. And this is what our clip is looking like. You can see it bounces up and down. When you play the clip, you can see, and this is exactly how to make a bounce animation on Capcut. Now if you found this video helpful, you want to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more useful tutorials like this. Now I'll see you in my next video. Bye.